In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a general ledger report in QuickBooks efficiently and effectively. This guide is perfect for beginners or anyone who just needs a quick refresher. Make sure you have your login credentials ready and let's jump right in. First, open your QuickBooks login page and click on the Sign In button. If you already have an account, this will allow you to access all the features in QuickBooks online. Be sure your internet connection is stable before signing in, because a slow connection can interrupt the process and slow you down. Once you're on the sign-in page, you'll see several options. Go ahead and select QuickBooks Online. This is the cloud-based version that allows you to access your financial information from almost anywhere, whether you're at the office, at home, or on the go. Next, enter your login credentials. Type in your username and password carefully to avoid any login issues. Then click Continue. After a few moments, you'll be taken to your QuickBooks Online homepage. Here, you'll see a snapshot of your business finances and a menu with all the tools you need to manage your accounting efficiently. Now that you're on the homepage, it's time to find the Reports section. You can locate this tab on the left-hand side of your screen, click on it, and you'll be brought to the area where all QuickBooks reports are housed. This includes profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and of course, the general ledger. In the Reports section, you'll notice a search bar at the top. This is a really handy tool for finding specific reports quickly. Type in General Ledger, and QuickBooks will filter the results to show exactly what you need. The General Ledger is one of the most important reports in accounting, as it provides a complete record of all financial transactions for your company. It gives you a bird's eye view of your business's financial health, showing both debits and credits for each account. Once you see the general ledger in the results, click on it, your detailed report will load, showing a complete listing of all accounting entries over this selected period. You can see each transaction clearly, which makes it easy to review, reconcile, or investigate any entries as needed. From here, you can review the report directly, or you can choose to download or print it for your records. QuickBooks also gives you options to customize and filter the report, like changing the date range or focusing on specific accounts. This flexibility allows you to generate exactly the information you need for your business decisions. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've accessed your general ledger report in QuickBooks Online regularly. Reviewing this report helps ensure that your financial data is accurate, complete, and ready for analysis or reporting. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to check out our other QuickBooks videos for more tips, tricks, and step-by-step guides to make managing your business finances easier and more efficient. Happy bookkeeping.